Hey everyone, it's Annette. So today I have a video featuring Melodysusie. This is the design video for the PMF 170 travel gift box. The color I'm going to be using today is P11, which is Sunshine Peony Pink. This is absolutely gorgeous. It has just the slightest touch of gold shimmer in it. It is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful pink. We will also be using our cute little nail lamp, which is the P Art 04M nail light. So we will be using this little light because I absolutely love that little light. So we're going to be doing a cute little pink Christmas design. I already have the nails on the practice hand prepped and primed. So we're just going to go ahead and get into the video. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I absolutely love this color from Melodysusie. It is so, so pretty. And like I said before, it has just the slightest shimmer of gold in it. Anyways, I just did like a little soft little pink Christmas look. I think it's just really, really cute. Thank you so much, Melodysusie, for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. As usual, I will link Melodysusie's information in the description box along with my discount code. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the color. Let me know what you think about the design. Thank you again so much for watching and have a wonderful day.